Hey, thank you so much for making the decision to learn how to stop the scroll through our free short video and content review. My name is Dr. Anis Khalif, and I believe that short videos and content is the key to unlocking optimal success right now. I gained millions of views through short video without dancing. Our free time together will give you access to a very special opportunity that is very exclusive to a very small amount of people. Essentially, it is our proven short video and content creation process that will initially help you produce content and short videos that gets you millions of views without dancing. We share the hottest trends and tips on how to monetize your brand. You're going to get a lot of secrets about improving your short videos and content, and a lot of tips on how to exactly use the best captions to gain thousands and millions of followers. I'll be totally focused on whatever areas are impeding your performance. Before our time together, gather your best and most challenging videos and content pieces. Bring them with you, and during our free call, I will be reviewing your creations and giving you objective tips to making eye-catching videos and outstanding content that can accelerate your business. Please download our free guide that contains information that will be imperative to start our journey off on the right foot. I look forward to our free live call. We will get into this proven process. We will give you the details, and you will see why we are the #1 creators in the industry, educating and training influencers on this information and how you can ultimately gain the clarity to accelerate your business in our upcoming call. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Dr. Anis. Don't forget to add the call to your schedule, and remember, clarity is the greatest accelerator of success in life and business.